Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to turn off Instagram notifications. It's actually a pretty easy thing to do, so let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then just tap on the three lines on the top right. And from here, search for notifications. And in here, as you can see, there is a notification option in here. So you can just turn off your notification for each and every sector. So from here, you can do that too. And if you want to turn the Instagram notification all over, turn off, then do that from here. So all you need to do is you won't get push notifications, but you'll be able to see your notifications when you open Instagram. That is for 15 minutes, 1 hour, you can set it from here. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. And yeah, hope this video helps. And if you get any problem or if you face any problem, just comment it down and we'll reach you out. So we'll see you in the next